welcome back to the podcast. I hope you already went through the previous video which I made. Now in this particular video we will be talking about from where it all started. So today we will be discussing about the legacy which it brings and the drawbacks. The basic concept is it's all about the potential of the blockchain networks. It was made very easy to transfer and share audio files using Napster, a network from 1999 if you heard of, to share audio files, right? Since it was used a centralized directory network, it was called a mixed peer-to-peer network because it is a decentralized peer-to-peer but on a centralized directory network. Users using this infrastructure has the flexibility to retain a copy of the file shared. So a single digit asset retention led to an infinite number of copies being stored on a global network. In early 2008, what happened? Millions of credit card numbers were exposed by a known payment system due to data leak, which result in fraudulent transactions. These episodes describe the immediate danger of living in the digital world that relies on some mediator who generated money from the transaction and exposed the people to digital exploitation, fraud and greed. These are three important words, okay, very concerning words which we are facing nowadays. There was a challenging need to create a digital infrastructure to remove these kind of mediators from it and avail the transfer asset freely and reliably. The infrastructure demands to be secure and transfer should be peer-to-peer rather than shared or copied, so it could be trusted and should not have any central governing authority. The basic concept is we don't want the central person to say hi from my end to different person or to do transaction from my end and send money to different person. We have to remove this. If I have a business with you, I only need to connect with you. I don't have to go through another path. Okay, I don't want to bring third party in the picture. Now, these beliefs which we have towards a particular creation of a system which is decentralized in nature removes many hurdles which we are facing in our day-to-day businesses or in our day-to-day life. Depends on few of the concepts. So I can say those are the beliefs for building this particular technology. First one is transformative. We believe that blockchain is a transformative technology that we can rapidly change the way business interact. At the center of the blockchain, it is a shared immutable ledger, a database or a history of transactions which is happening on the network which cannot be changed. Each member of a blockchain network has an exact copy of ledger that is kept as it updates over time. After a transaction is entered, it cannot be changed. With this shared copy of the trust, net new growth opportunities are discovered because this is a new model of trust identification. It is sustainable. Time is saved because the multiple people who are coming in between are removed now. Costs are reduced because there is no brokerage you are giving to the third party, and risk is minimized because now no one is allowed to change the history transactions. The second major aspect is open. We believe that blockchain must be open to encourage broad adoption, innovation, and interoperability. Organizations such as the Linux Foundation build Hyperledger project. Under its umbrella, there are multiple frameworks and tools which they are building. With hundreds of members across the industry have provided breeding ground blockchain software. Only with openness will blockchain be widely adopted and innovation will happen in the business. Now, third most important part which I didn't include in this particular slide is ready for business. I can say that blockchain is ready for business use today. A new breed of blockchain technology is now available that has been engineered from the ground up under the governance of the Hyperledger project and other different projects to handle the demand of enterprise and provide a fundamental that ensure global ethics business behavior. We have multiple blockchain networks as well as frameworks as well as tools to monitor everything up in a decentralized manner. In the next video, we will be discussing about some kind of enterprise blockchain and we'll try to touch different points of it. What point we need to follow up to make a enterprise blockchain network or a enterprise blockchain system. So hope you will like this video. share it with your friends, and come back again for the next video. Thank you.